Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Tundra door. First, walk up to your Tundra and find the door handle. It's usually a sturdy, horizontal bar. Take a good hold of the handle with your hand. Then, pull it straight out, away from the truck's body. You'll feel a click as the latch releases. Now, simply push the door open to step inside. It's a straightforward process, designed for ease of use. To open the door from inside, first find the interior handle. It's often a lever or pull tab, usually positioned conveniently on the door panel. Simply pull this handle towards you, and the door will unlatch. Remember to be mindful of child safety locks, which are small switches on the door's edge. If engaged, they prevent the rear doors from opening from the inside, a crucial safety feature for young passengers. Your Tundra's key fob offers convenient remote unlocking. Press the unlock button once to open just the driver's door. For all 4 doors, press the unlock button twice in quick succession. If your key fob battery is low, or if you prefer, you can always use the physical key. Insert it into the keyhole on the driver's door, turn it clockwise a quarter turn, and the door will unlock manually. If you encounter difficulty, first check for any obstructions around the door frame or latch. Sometimes a small object can prevent smooth operation. Always confirm the vehicle is unlocked, either with the key fob or manually. For rear doors, double-check that the child safety lock isn't engaged, as this is a common reason for them not opening from the inside. If problems continue, it might be time for a quick check by a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.